Alright, we're going to start off with this Bissell. Let's see how much it weighs. Just a little 15.8 pounds.
Alright.
Now for the Hoover. Oh, look at that, it's more than 22.2, almost 22.
Alright.
Nice.
What's next?
A Kirby backbreaker.
A Kirby backbreaker? That's probably going to be really heavy.
How much does a Kirby weigh?
Let go of it.
20.6. That weighs less than a Hoover.
Wow.
And the Kirby weighs less than a Hoover. How about that? Well, the Hoover Windtunnel weighs. Let's see. Okay, you have to move them back to make sure the Hoover Windtunnel weighs. And let's see, Daddy. Let's take a look. Way to go. Just a little 20 points.
Let go of it.
Just a little 21.8 pounds. Let's see if we can get that in there real good. Yeah.
Well, what do you think? Which one weighs less?
The Kirby.
It weighs less than the Hoover, but which one weighed the least?
The Bissell.
The Bissell weighed the least, didn't it? Which one was the heaviest?
Kirby.
Well, it was heavier than the Bissell, but
It was
wasn't
a
the
Hoover.
Hoover the heaviest?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, Daddy, that's a great skill.
What are you going to do for us?
Just a Hoover.
You going to test the Hoover?
Yeah.
What kind of Hoover is this?
It's a bag vacuum, but the bag will separate.
Oh wait, let's see here. So we have a bagged vacuum, but it's secretly a bagless. Nice. Okay.
I don't know how it's good. Well, here we go.
What's your verdict?
I cleaned that up. I tested it out.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
What did you like about it?
I like this perfect. Okay. Kirby's up next. Back in Kirby videos, as well as you can see, we have Powerforce that can make it up. So we're gonna start with the second one on this Kirby. It has really nice suction. Well, this did pretty nice.
What did you think of it?
Kirby is looking nice. As you can tell, all of those Kirby's have made it nice. As you can tell, one of those things will be used on right this specific area.
Yeah, it's pretty silly that they built that Kirby so that the cord is wrapped up behind the bag. Makes it really inconvenient. Good job, Kirby.
Way to go. Now for the Bissell. It has nice suctions for this. Let's see, how much do you think it is? This isn't even going to be much more than butter. All the way over to the scale. Here it is. Well, that did nice and good.
Which one did you like best?
I love Bissell bagless, Hoover supper held bagless. Yeah, nice suction.
Okay.
Bye.